Hello, tech enthusiasts. Daniel here, and today we're diving deep into a question that plagues many a computer owner. Can you troubleshoot your PC, or do you really need to call in the professionals? Let's jump right in. You know, over the years, I've seen many PCs go from state-of-the-art machines to, well, oversized paperweights. And the burning question remains, when should you roll up your sleeves, and when should you dial the technician? We've all been there, right? These familiar hiccups that can turn your digital haven into a nightmare. But fear not. A lot of these issues can be tackled with a bit of knowledge and some elbow grease. Let's start with the basics, your PC's hardware. Before you assume it's all gone south, remember, sometimes it's just about reseating a RAM stick, or ensuring your hard drive cables are connected properly. But not everything is a quick fix. Software issues, viruses, complex hardware failures, these might require a bit more technical finesse. Running your system in safe mode, checking for pesky viruses, updating drivers, these are your first line of defense. And yes, while they might sound complicated, with a bit of patience, you can master them. But here's the biggie, when should you actually call for professional help? Remember, while many issues are DIY friendly, there's no shame in seeking out an expert for those particularly nasty problems. If you're faced with constant crashes, hardware replacements, or data recovery needs, it might be time to get on the phone. In the end, the choice is yours. Equip yourself with knowledge, and you'll often find that many PC problems are within your power to resolve. But always know that if things get too dicey, professional help is just a call away. And hey, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Till next time, keep those PCs running smooth, and always stay curious.